Hi everyone. So I'm Mr. Hustle and nice to meet you. You are on the right path. Kung gusto mo ng second income dahil nagkukulang ka sa iyong job right now, kulang na kulang yung kinikita and you badly need money, then I should be able to help you. All you need to do is basically your attention and your time. No investment needed, okay? This is not a scam. This is not a hype. Basically, you just need to follow the steps that I'll be providing you and you should be okay. Okay? So let's get started. You have 5 simple steps to do. Just 5 simple steps. So pay attention to it. First, like our Facebook page. Make sure to also request to be added onto our group and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is very important dahil every now and then magsisend ako at mag-upload ako ng videos with regards to creating and earning money. Okay? And after that one, make sure to share this to your friends para hindi lang ikaw ang kumikita kundi pati rin ang mga kaibigan mo. So, that's the first step. Second step, Facebook group. Bakit kailangan mong mapasama sa Facebook group? Para after I have created my video and uploaded it onto my YouTube channel, basically, I will also post it on Facebook para you are up to date. Just in case there are some changes that is time sensitive, at least you are being notified. Okay? Third step, which is very important step to do. You need to make sure na you will follow the step-by-step process. At kung may tanong ka, let me know. First thing is download coins.ph on your Play Store. That's the first step. The second step is you need to sign up and use this referral code. Again, use this referral code. It's 4ZO9DI. Okay? And then after that, go ahead and get verified. You just need to have a valid ID and picture verified. And then you should be good. Just in case you are not aware on how to get verified, there is a link below. Okay? In case still there's an issue, then message me and I'll assist you personally. Okay? After that, message me on Facebook page, on our Facebook group or Facebook page, para I can check on the updates. And all you need to do is wait for your earnings. You should be good. Congratulations. And just to let you know, you can earn up to $3 minimum for doing this. Okay? So, that's worth 150 pesos atin. At if you multiply and share this to your friends and colleagues, minimum is $3. Yun nga lang, this is time sensitive, as I mentioned, dahil this will only be applicable until October 11 of this year. Okay? Fourth, wait, sit back and relax. It may take 3 to 5 days to get verified. Sometimes it's tedious to get verified, most especially if you're using an expired ID or there's a blurry picture when you took your selfie on your phone. So be vigilant with regards to uploading your ID and also a picture of yours para walang bolilyaso. Okay? And lastly, to get a bonus, all you need to do is share this to at least 30 of your friends and make sure that they do the same that you have done. Okay? For you to get the bonus. And just to inform you, okay, that you will get 50 pesos from me. And I'm sorry, not just 50 pesos. 50 pesos for every friends that they have done the same. Okay? So, not 50 pesos, not just 150 pesos, but 50 pesos for every referral or friends that signed up. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you very much for your time and see you on the other side, okay? Bye-bye.